What is good for drinking coffee after breakfast? Coffee drunk after breakfast has many health benefits. So what are these benefits? Protects the heart by repairing the vessels leading to the heart. Gives energy and accelerates metabolism. Balances blood pressure by repairing the endoder structure in the vessels. Reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Reduces fatty liver disease. Reduces the risk of gallstones, especially in women. Prevents brain diseases such as Alzheimer's. 2 cups of coffee a day will be enough. Too much can cause heart rhythm disturbances, migraine attacks, high blood pressure, and increased stomach acid.